Number 6, Peter Steph Titote, and he understand.
Njani?
7, Peter Steph.
So kaloku u7 wethu thina uyohluka nabo abaya. So u7 lo ngu7 kuthi ku6 kubo.
Oh, nyani?
Ewe, it's a vice versa.
Hayibo bengingayazi lo nto uthino.
Ewe, so
hayibo.
U6 and 7 wethu uyohluka nabo babo ubona.
Uthina ngo
ba u6 kubo ngeyena ukherayo kakhulu
compared
to 7 iyafetcha
kuthi ngu6 ofetchayo lo.
So that's why bembeke 6 uPeter Steph Titote apha.
But this can never be a 6 uPeter Steph. Negxalaba lakhe alivumi lo. Isicema ngani to left shoulder, I can't do right. See on the left shoulder, see on the right shoulder. Which one? Oka 6 usicema nge right. Oka 7 usicema nge left. So
Nomfano ya memeza nombelembele